Hello and welcome back to Trend Tech Guide. Today I'll show you how to check the 30-day subscriber gain of any YouTube channel on Social Blade without needing to log in. Simply head over to socialblade.com and enter the channel name or username in the search bar. On the channel's profile page, scroll down to the monthly stats section. Here, you'll see the estimated subscriber gain for the past 30 days displayed clearly, all without logging in or signing up. It's a quick and easy way to track channel growth. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe to Trend Tech Guide and hit the bell icon for more quick tech tutorials. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. I'm here to help.